This is our new house. This is our bedroom. Has big ol' that, and then you walk out of our bedroom to the bathroom. That is everyone can use, but you can shut our bedroom door. The living room. Big huge window. And then you go to our kitchen and dining room, and back to the front door. And our kitchen is like this. It's just simple, tiny, very tiny. That's all mine. So then it looks out into our living room. Look how shallow this sink is. So it looks like this in here, and we just got a tiny temporary